Welcome to the workshop. It's one of my favorite places on earth, where ideas begin. Sketches, plans, daydreams are hammered and welded, wired, assembled. The air hums with machines, raw materials become parts, something useful, sometimes amazing. It's a magical environment, but with great power comes responsibility. From the mightiest press to the humblest screwdriver, every tool can harm if misused. That hum is energy. It doesn't care what it cuts. This isn't about fear, it's about respect. Respect the tools, the processes, and physics. Safety is the foundation of making. Think of safety as the workshop operating system. Boot it before you run the machine. Accidents usually follow safety failures. Build a fortress of safe habits, keep fingers and toes where they belong. Safety keeps the fun going, day after day. You'll see signs on every good workshop wall. They are more than decorations, they are constant, silent reminders. The most important rule: people over projects, more important than the deadline or the tool in your hand. It applies to first years and seasoned pros alike. Physics plays no favorites. Imagine two students, Casey and Alex. Casey arrives in shorts, loose hair, and sandals. Alex arrives prepared. Boots, fitted sleeves, hair tied back. Who's taking safety more seriously? Casey is a collection of risks. Loose hair could get caught in a drill. Hot chips and dropped metal can injure badly. The difference is mindset, preparation, not haste. Inspect tools, clamp work, check PPE. These simple steps save people every day. History shows the consequences. These rules exist for a reason. They are collected wisdom passed down from makers. Following rules marks professionalism and respect. Prioritize safety and the space becomes more creative and efficient. Safety is a team sport. Everyone is on the team. Not all activities are equal. Each lab zone has unique dangers. Welding, machining, foundry, and project bays each demand different precautions. Know the signage and the SOPs for each zone. Start with the welding shop, bright arcs and intense heat. UV radiation can cause welders flash, serious eye pain. Sparks can burn and ignite nearby combustibles. Use a welding helmet with the correct shade. Wear flame-retardant clothing and heavy leather gloves. Keep the area free of flammables. Next, machining, lathes, mills, high-speed rotation. The biggest risks are entanglement and flying projectiles. Swarf is sharp and fast. Protect your eyes. No loose clothing, no gloves at the spindle. Hair tied back. Always wear safety glasses. Side shields recommended. Secure the workpiece before you start. The foundry is primal. Molten metal and catastrophic burn risk. A single droplet can cause severe injury. Protection here is absolute and non-negotiable. Full-body PPE, face shields, aluminized gear, spats, heavy boots. Work must be slow and deliberate. Communication is critical. Everyone must know their role. Zero room for error. The project bay is a mix. Hand tools, drills, grinders, soldering irons, risks, cuts, eye injuries, burns, and clutter-related trips. Good housekeeping prevents many accidents. Default to safety glasses. Use the right tool for the job. Choose the correct tool. Inspect it first. Be mindful of colleagues around you. Each zone demands its own specific respect. Recognize the hazards before you work. Pick the PPE that matches the task. Alex wears the gear, Casey skips it. A dangling sleeve near a chuck is a nightmare scenario. Steel-toe boots can turn disaster into a non-event. Most near misses are prevented by simple habits. Report damage, replace compromised tools. Practice prevents pain. Every action matters. PPE is your last line of defense, your modern armor. Your brain is first, PPE is the backup. When unexpected happens, gear stands between you and harm. Safety shoes with reinforced toes protect heavy impacts. Safety glasses are high-impact polycarbonate. Use side shields. For splashes or fine dust, use sealed goggles. Noise causes gradual, permanent hearing loss. Disposable foam plugs are cheap and effective. For extreme noise, plugs plus muffs is common practice. Heat-resistant gloves protect against molten splashes. Leather aprons and welding gloves protect from sparks. Use respirators when creating fine dust or fumes, but gloves are dangerous around rotating machinery. No task-specific rules. Sometimes no glove is the correct choice. Think before you wear them. Use guards, never bypass them. Follow the SOP when entering the shop. Required PPE checklist on the wall. Boots, glasses, ear protection, and a tidy bench. Tick them off. No emergency equipment locations. Before you flip a switch or make a cut, pause for 2 seconds. Do a quick mental checklist. Am I dressed? Is the tool right? Is the workpiece secure? This small pause is the most powerful safety device. If you see unsafe work, speak up. It's your obligation, not tattling. A simple, "Hey, you forgot your glasses," can save a life. Collective ownership keeps the space safe. Build smart, build well. Above all, build safe. Remember, safety shoes, eye protection, hearing protection, gloves where appropriate, aprons and masks when needed. Follow the SOPs, wear your PPE, keep coming back to build the next amazing thing.